All right, today I have a Genesis GV70, and I'm going to show you how to operate the headlights on this Genesis GV70. All right, I'm going to show you how to turn on the headlights as well as turn them off. The automatic feature, I'm going to go over the parking lights, and I'm also going to go over the high beam headlights. And I might even throw in how to brighten and dim the instrument panel lights right here. I'm going to do all that. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, I'm in the Genesis GV70. In order to operate the headlights, I have my vehicle on. I'm currently in the park position. Now what I'll do is I'll have to look through the instrument or the steering wheel, and you'll see that this lever right here, a clever lever, all right? Currently, it is this arrow, you see that arrow? It's lined up with off. Now that's indicative that the headlights are off. Now note, my vehicle is currently on. You have to have your vehicle on. You want to accomplish all this right here. So the vehicle the headlights are off. In order to turn them on, you have a couple of options. You have this auto feature. I'll go ahead and turn them right here. This auto feature automatically detects if is light or dark outside. It detects if you need to use your headlights. So it'll automatically turn them on and off accordingly, okay? So that's a good feature. Sometimes, most of the time, I keep it in the auto setting. Now, if you just want to have the parking lights, you'll take this knob right here. It's not Knobs Creek, it is the knob on the side of this lever, and you'll turn this right there. And that is indicative that the parking lights are on, okay? Now, if you want to just have the headlights on all together, you'll take this same knob, not Creek right here, and you'll go ahead and turn this until it lines up with that. Now, this is the manual on position with the headlights on. Now, if you want to turn on the high beam headlights or the bright lights, or your brights, whatever you want to call them, you'll take the same lever, clever lever, and you'll pull it toward you. But when you pull it towards you, that doesn't keep it on. That is just flashing on your brights, and you'll see this blue dot on right there. You see that blue dot on the instrument panel? When I release this, the blue dot or icon, let me put it that way, icon goes away when I release it. That is because I am just flashing my bright headlights and they're not on. Now, in order to keep the bright headlights on, what I'll do is I'll have it right here, and I'll take the same clever lever and push it. When I push it, you'll see on the instrument panel that blue light, it stays on even when I release that lever. That is indicative that the bright headlights are now on, okay? Now, when I want to turn them all off, okay, I'll just simply go to the off position right here. Okay, I can either do that, or if it's on, I can pull it back and the bright headlights go off just like that, okay? And two options, okay? So if you're driving and you want to turn your brights off, pull it back like this. If you've just parked with your brights on, go ahead and go to the off, which turns off everything. Now, on the instrument panel, it also shows you which selection I'm in currently. Pretty cool feature, right? Now, let's move on to the instrument panel. So this entire instrument panel right here can be brightened or dimmed. And you do that by coming back over here. And you see this right here. If you want to dim it, you press down. If you want to press it, brighten it, you press up right here. And it shows you on the instrument panel right here. I'm dimming it right here. And then I am brightening it right there. You see all that? And that's how you operate the headlights. That's how you also brighten and dim the instrument panel lights. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.